So East Coast, it's your boy Pistol, yo. 2016. Yeah, I'm the king, nigga. King of my life, yo. You know what I mean? Got no wife, got nobody now, man. You think that's made me mad, yo? I don't think so. Time to make a change for the new year. Yeah, time to make a change, boy, for the new year. Time to make a change, time to drop the last tear. Yeah, it's time for a change. Start now today. Come on, boy. Just like a couple years ago, I used to took that way alone, so low against the tip. You already know, cause every day I woke up, the music was my only script that I read. Never looked at a bitch, yo, between the legs. Never thought about it, because it's not a disease that is spreading around. Cause it's sluts on the nuts, trying to search for a clown. A little greedy type nigga, but it ain't me. I keep it grimy, that's why they call me crazy. A little grimy old human being, yeah, this game is changing. It used to be like an old Ford, the thing used to be great. I used to be all happy, now in the day I feel with hate. It's because the world changed to be like that. So when a girl get in my life, young, she get treated like a rat. You already know, get snatched, I would get set in a trap, hurting. You already know your feelings and your body, cause I'm a banky. You already know we talk dirt, and you already know it's really be. You need to start working instead of freeloading. And it's really be, the game is exploding. And while I'm reaching for the gun, you already know it. The game is blowing. Come on, dog, you know I'm tired of this life. Tired of these motherfucking sluts and always trying to scream them at my wife. Come on, dog, I don't want none of them. They can dip. They can go find that nigga to play with, bro, cause I ain't that kid. You already know the nightmare, cause that's what I'm living by. And I used to have a stepdaughter. Come on, dog, they ain't no lie, but this is not how it should be. Normally disappearing, so has me. And there's separate for life. You ever know, never get connected ever again in life. You ever know, you my ex-wife. You ever know, and that's for real, that's for eternity. You said, well, do I think our relationship lasts forever? I don't think so, son. Let me see why you think like that. Because we can sit around, lay back and chill like we land on the love track. Yeah, we get to laugh and smile and have sex is wildin'. You already know I got you styling. You already know what it means. I made you feel like you was number one. Yeah, while the other niggas make you feel like you was never a piece of crap. Getting so dumb. Cause look at you acting like you want this never love. But then you want the same thing like me. The game is still stuck. Come on, dog. You really gets confused. Like you niggas beat the shit out you in the head in the games with the tennis shoes. You always see with the beat, son. Now you lose. You already know you lost this one right here. That's the one that can take up and then snatch away. I mean, I can make them happy anytime, any day. But to you other women, don't think you can be slick and try to take me young for a trick. Try to take my money because you would think it's funny, yeah, because you want to give me the puss. You already know the game is mine, son, yeah, I'm gonna pick my bush, take it outside. You already know when it be like, right? Time to start a new life with the music by my side always. Remember that, I can remember Jack, you already know kid come back. Little pencil stay strapped, I gotta keep on talking about it. Coming over running the game, son, you already know we walking out it. Come on, son, you said, yeah, maybe I should be alone. Maybe I should be single because I wanna be running my throne. Oh, well, it ain't gonna change me, never that. You see, I still made that move. Or you still stay back in the hood with your mind is loose with your crew. All y'all do is smoke and drink. All you little niggas do is joke about everything. Come on, son, that is you think. Come on, dog, but you a joke to me, really. You without me, son, you ain't nothing, young. You just so silly. Bitch had $6,000, 16 G's, little Punk motherfucker had college. You already know it had so many chances to get houses, to get cars, and get the fuck up out. But you ain't do nothing, all you did was smoke it. You already know it, no doubt. Come on, send me a joke, kid. Yeah, you want that weed only. Come on, dog, you can have it because you just did see the me side, see your homie. 2016, man. People gassing. Crazy, y'all. I was motherfucking man, kid. Yeah. This ain't 04 no more, man. Yeah, this ain't 04 no more. Said explore. You said that. Why not you on the floor? Why you bleeding at your head? You already know the same now. You say the game got you scared. Yeah, cause the game turned around. I told you it did. Come on, dog. Told you I ain't no kid. Never that, now anymore. Used to be a rookie when you see me young. Yeah, before. Now the time changed. Time is ticking. Now I'm doing time in jail, son. The game is changing. And then you don't like it. You come around with straight, you wanna fight it. Come on, dog. Your tongue, you say you bite it. Every time you thought about it, saying some reason that you thought I won't like it. Come on, dog. And that was smart right there. But now what it is, at the same time, was fake. It's like I knew you was. You ever know the game is fake. Come on, dog. You want that piece of steak with that last piece right there, kid. All I did was cook for you. All I did was look out for you and your little daughter too. Not coming stand her definitely. I'm gonna run the game, son. The game left me definitely left in the street. Come on, dog. But you know you ain't let me drive a little caravan. Come on, dog. Like I'm supposed to care, man. What the hell is going on? Yeah, and it made me happy. What the hell ain't mean for really? You gonna make me change my mind how I get down. Come on, dog. You and me silly. I dipped off on you before, and then you call my phone talking on bullshit, crying like a whore. Like you want me to feel sorry for you. You think I give a damn about that? Come around the hood side. My happiness come first. I don't doubt that.